This is one of the fastest bread recipe you can try. I'm sharing with you today. I welcome you on Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel. It's very easy to do and the ingredients are also easy to get. To go to the shop, you can find it. So here, I'm sorry, I didn't know that the camera took off when I was videoing the ingredients I use on this recipe. But yeah, it's very easy. Like I'm showing you here in the screen, you can see what I use for this bread. It's very easy. I'll go ahead and put it the way I'm doing it. Keep watching. Roll it the way I'm rolling it. Don't be fast on it. Take it gently. When you are done, set it aside for 1 hour, and after 1 hour you will see how it will be. It will double in size, and that is it here, how it is. Then go ahead and bake it. After 20 minutes it is done. You can enjoy it the way you want to enjoy yours, with akara or with eggs, vegetable, it depends. So for my own today's video, I'm going to enjoy it with vegetables, eggs. Before then, you go ahead and apply some butter on top of it just to make it to be shiny if you want, but if you don't want, you can leave it like that. See how it is? So now I'm making the vegetable eggs. This is the way I prepare my carrots, just half cooked. I don't like it to be very soft or very hard. In a medium size, and here I add oil and a pinch of salt. It has lots of benefits if you cook yours this way. So that is it for today, and here is my breakfast. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for another beautiful recipe you can try at any given time. Once you think you don't have any idea of what to do or how you can bake your bread. Thank you and remain blessed. Don't forget to check out of my videos. Bye.